Ayan, para lang happy tayo. We request, refrain for asking personal questions lang po na. Pasaya naman victorious naman tayo, so para wala sana muna mga, di ba, personal questions. Thank you everyone for the rest, for the three.
Paano naman ang pulso? I mean, it wasn't the biggest goal sa ratings.
Good naman po. Just, yesterday, last day po kami sa show for taping. Galing lang po ako na.
Nararamdaman nila. Nakikinig ka parang happy yung mga tao. Nakakatuwa nila.
Usually, show ko po is ang Sayo Akin that aired po 2021 to 2022. Tapos I left for school. I went to acting school in New York, Stella Adler po. For the last year, that was 2022 to 2023. Balik po ako last October. And yeah, did this project specifically came back to do this project po.
Kumusta yung pagsabak na hindi naman ito basta another teleserye. Talagang hindi pa rin ito talaga. Kumusta naging pag-aaral?
Preparation
karoon ba na siya?
Sa totoo lang, sa simula no,
ilang years kang hindi nakasala.
Good question. I would say it's a different style po kasi yung acting for TV. Yung study ko po more on theater, especially the first year, theater arts, and that kind of acting. Pero it's, of course, transition ko din po. Pero also yung style po natin, yung mga requirements and expectations of the audience, of the Filipino audience, iba rin po yung flavor natin dito sa Pilipinas. So I had to readjust to that. Pero I think we had workshops. Yung main facilitator po namin sa acting workshops is Ms. Angie Castese, great theater actress. And yung ano lang po talaga yung camaraderie with the whole cast and crew. And yung nga sabi po ni Kuya P, lahat naman talaga ng artista, lahat ng pangyayari, may natututunan ka dito sa kapwa mong artista. I think, kasi si Justin, very extremes talaga siya. He does the most extreme things to get what he wants. Sa beginning po ng istorya at sa beginning po ng istorya, parang ibang character po si Justin from now, na ang dami niya pong ginagawa, in my opinion, na hindi na po nakatatama just for his own self-interest. So I think in that sense na una lang, parang frat member lang siya. He's a son na gusto niyang katunayan yung worthless sa tatay niya, sa pamilya niya. Ngayon na parang he's doing all the wrong things just to get what he wants. And I think that character, and this kind of character, sobrang totoo sa nangyayari po sa buhay natin dito sa Pilipinas, lalo dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga ganitong klaseng tao, ang Justice Sagrado, nangyayari po. So, in my opinion, kailangan talaga mapakita po yung ganitong tao, yung story sa atin.
How much of Justin is great?
Again po, very, super night and day po talaga kasi ako po, hindi naman, I'm a very introverted person, very, more private person, while si Justin talaga mabarkada, he wants to be the alpha, he wants to control the situation of lahat ng mga tao around him, lalo na sa frat, lalo na kay Moises. So ako naman as Gray, ang ano ko lang talaga is I have my own sphere. I only control Gray. Other people I'm concerned about in a good way, but I never want to control any other people. Unlike Justin. At yung mga technique nga na ni Justin to get what he wants is very unethical, immoral in this stage of the story na pinapakita po namin. And ako po talaga, just I'd rather be the best person I can be, of course, and just to be as honorable, as honest, a model citizen na hanggang kakayanin.
Without spoiling anything, bilang si Gray, anong i-advise mo sa character ni Justin?
I think ano lang, kasi ang very, which is going back to this kind of intense character, very complex character, na may mga point din po kasi siya na tama. Pero yung paano niya i-execute yung goals niya, again, to destroy everything around him, to destroy other people around him na wala ng opportunity. Na again, like Moises Malonzo, na sinisiraan niya, nasusunungaling na po siya sa tao para lang makuha yung gusto niya. At ako lang talaga, may mga point po si Justin, pero I think, especially in this point of the story, yung pagsisinungaling, yung paulot na lang yung very habitual lying, and nawawala na sa katotohanan niya lahat ng sinasabi ni Justin para lang maprotektahan naman yung sarili niya, para maprotektahan yung si Rafael, yung tatay niya, yung buong Sagrados. Pero yun nga, ako talaga just be as honest as you can, be as loving as you can to everything, your fellow man, your fellow to nature. I think that's honestly one of my big goals for the Philippines. That's just like opinion na parang kailangan talaga natin i-preserve yung kalikasan natin, yung likas na kalikasan natin. Kasi it's a natural world, it's the blessing from God. Yung mga oceans natin, mga tulo natin, I think we need to be more geo mentality na inisip po natin yung environment po natin.
May last question. Nabanggit mo na malayo sa kay Justin. Nabanggit mo rin na napaka-intense na. So, paano ka paano mo siya napapagpag? Meron ka bang ritual?
More so just, talaga, comforting myself as much as possible. I love music. So, pagkatapos talaga, pinablast ko talaga music, electronic music. I have a very wide selection of music, pero the most relaxing music after that, or again, watch a movie, just be in a different mindset talaga. Kasi, as you said nga po, maano mo talaga, madadama mo talaga yung character, especially for a 14-hour day of taping na ikaw yung taong to na ang daming masamang ginagawa o hindi tamang ginagawa. Kailangan mo talaga i-disassociate yung sarili mo pagkatapos mo. Most challenging and most memorable kasi it was the 4th day pa lang namin sa shooting, so medyo kinakapagod po namin yung character. It was the hazing scene, so it took the most physical labor, most emotional labor, and yung time din talaga na sobrang physical talaga from start of the day to the end of the day. Itong hazing na nangyari sa totoong buhay, parang nadaanan din namin in a sense na yung physical aspect at yung emotional aspect talaga na kasi of course me as the pinuno ng fraternity, ako talaga yung bargas na kailangan talaga patunayan yung worth na itong neophyte natin, kailangan nyo talagang ma-test. So ako, me as Gray, wala.
We're giving everyone 5 minutes per table, then we move. Thank you.
So, sorry, me as Gray, pag hindi on the set na habang kinukunan, parang nadadama mo na parang, nasaktan si Moises, lahat ng mga ibang neophyte. Kaya talaga, once I'm not taping talaga, I just try to relax myself. Pero that was the most challenging scene and challenging role ko.
Yung story, nag-iiba ba yung tingin mo sa Brother Wish? Same pa rin yung story?
Again, for me kasi talaga more for the individual talaga eh. Kasi lahat naman po tayo talaga. Ang advice ko hindi ma-apply sa isang tao or ma-apply sa isang tao din po kasi nga lahat po tayo may sarili-sariling buhay, may sarili-sariling mga experiences, sarili-sariling talents, sariling wants. Yun yung number one talaga. So, for me, in my opinion, in my experience and in my life story, hindi talaga ma-apply sa akin na yung ganong kind of institution na it doesn't apply to me. Pero again, for a person na kailangan talaga or they will think it will benefit their lives in a good way and without hurting anyone else, I would tell them na go for it 100% po.
One question lang. Your role is parang emotionally draining, physically draining din, which gives you a bigger challenge. The emotional requirement of the show or the physical requirement of the character?
Great question. Ako po, I love physical activity, so I think kahit paguri mo pa ako physical, parang kayang-kaya ko. Like ever since naman po, I love basketball, sports, badminton, pati soccer, and I don't know, basically, I love being active. So parang regular na po sa akin kahit yung araw, parang mas na-enjoy pa po nga ako pag ganun eh. Pag napapawisan or I move my body. Because again, I preach na everyone should be very active and physical and healthy. So I think yung ano talaga, the psychological depth of character like Justin, sobrang, minsan nagiging sobrang dark na po talaga, sobrang nagiging, yun nga, there's no empathy towards so I think yung psychological sobrang naawa talaga ako sa mga nagiging nababangga po ni Justin in his pursuit for his own personal goals.
Ano sa set niya, alam niya kung ano kailangan niyang gawin. Alam ng mga tao na kasi alam niya. Kasi medyo ipit po kami nung araw na blocking po direct po siya para sa amin kasi one day shoot pero binigay niya lahat.
I think not a story pero I think yung buong ano kasi talaga yung buong vibe po namin sobrang relax na talaga. Ang dami namin artista, ang ganda ng mga sense of humor nila. So I think every day na of course when we're not on set, yung mga funny stories, bonding with our co-actors, you know, just eating food, you know, working out together. I think yung ano talaga nag-uplift sa amin. Saka of course, yung mga biruan po ng mga kaibigan at artista.
Pero may markisa niya, pwede mo ba may mga kanilang
I think it's time na i-move ibang actor.
I think the first couple of days, may mga eksena po, I can't pin a specific scene, pero pag ano po talaga, for even like with any project that I've done ever, the first couple of days talaga, you really have to get within the character. So hindi mo pa siya gamay na gamay.
Because on the TV, I will have to gather the three actors for TV. Okay, great.